what's up? Welcome to Top Tech TV. This channel is dedicated to top tech, gadgets, and accessories. If you're here, you enjoy those things, so make sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell notification icon with all notifications turned on. Today we're checking out the top tech gadgets and accessories under 1000 rupees. The first product on our list are these Edifier computer speakers. Now these are USB powered speakers that take an auxiliary input to get your music outputted through these speakers. Not only do these speakers look amazing, but they sound amazing as well. They're extremely compact. They have speakers that are exposed, and you also have a headphone jack on the front. So if you don't want to use your speakers, you can simply plug in your headphones and get output through that. The volume control knob will work for the speakers as well as the headphone output, and you have a standard USB cable along with a 3.5mm jack already hardwired to these speakers. The red on these speakers really pops, but they're also available in a white as well as a black color. They're priced at around 1000 rupees. Definitely an impressive speaker set for that price. And if you just want to up the game in terms of your sound output from your PC or your laptop or your smartphone, these will definitely come in handy for that. They are built really well. They sound good for the price. Definitely go check these out. Link is in the description below. Next up on our list is this 2-watt flashlight. This is basically an LED flashlight made with this rugged look and has a rubberized finish on the outside. On the bottom of the flashlight also is a magnet so that you can attach it to metallic surfaces, and the flashlight head can be bent so that you can have the flashlight standing but pointing at something in front of you. But the coolest thing about this flashlight is that if you pull it out, it turns into a COB light or a work light that allows you to inspect things. It works off of 3 AAA batteries. It's got 170 lumens and a really high quality light without any flicker, which is really important for working for long periods of time. It's priced under 1000 rupees. Definitely go check it out. The next product on our list is a CPL filter for your smartphone. Now a CPL filter, or a circular polarizing filter, allows you to fend off reflections of glass surfaces. So anything that may have reflections can be easily hidden with a polarizing filter. Now traditionally these filters have been available for DSLR cameras, but this compact accessory will allow you to attach a CPL filter to your smartphone. It comes with a clip and a circular polarizing filter that will allow you to get rid of reflections in your images. So if you're somebody who's into mobile phone photography or mobile phone video, this is a really high quality filter that is available under 1000 rupees. Definitely go check this out. The next product on our list is this magnetic smartphone mount. Now this nifty little mount can also be used as a smartphone stand, but if you want, you can stick it to any surface and then convert it into a proper smartphone mount. It comes with 3 magnetic plates, and the magnets on the device are pretty solid and will hold your device with quite a lot of force. It uses neodymium magnets. There are 6 of them in the device. It can be flipped around and also be tilted and swiveled. The hinges are also really robust and strong, so this is definitely a cool device if you want. This can also be attached in your car or anywhere on your desk to prop up your smartphone anytime you want. Definitely go check this out. Now next up on our list is the Xiaomi 27-watt super fast charger. Now this is the Sonic Charge adapter that costs only $9.99 but can charge up to 30 watts with respect to charging. So if you do have a smartphone or a gadget that does support fast charging, this brick will allow you to do that, and it is quick charge certified as well, and it is one of the most well-made chargers that has safety inbuilt that you can buy for this low a price. So if you're looking for something that is quick charge 3 certified, if you're looking for something that crosses 27 watt up to 30 watts, and if you're looking for something that has a lot of inbuilt protection including surge protection, overcurrent protection, all of those things, as a safe device, this is the one that you should pick. Next up on our list is this cool educational toy for your kids, especially for those who are interested in building and DIY. This is also cool for adults because you get to learn a few things about how things work. It's got a solar panel, allows you to convert basically all these Lego bricks into some sorts of robots. Lots of parts are included inside the package, along with a simple battery and a solar receiver. The solar receiver is slightly weak, but you can use a flashlight to power it up and then power the robot instead. A really cool learning tool, and for a price of just $643, you can make various kinds of robots, whether it's a walking bot, Autobot, or even a rowing bot. It can make up to 13 robots, and it's definitely a cool robot kit to check out for just just 650 rupees. Now next up on our list is something that I find is really crucial. A lot of people have a lot of tech nowadays and everything needs to be charged. So we're recommending this really cool wire storage and cable management box. This allows you to have your extension board along with lots of plugs of various chargers plugged into the extension board and all the cables hidden, so all your cables get managed. And this tidy box will allow you to keep all your cables tidy. It's available in this black color with this wood finish on the top. It is also available in a white color with the same wood finish on the top. So depending on what your aesthetic is and where you want to place this, it is available in both of those options. It is very well made. It's got really nice cutouts for ventilation as well as cable pass-throughs on both sides, as well as a simple pass-through on the top of the lid. It will tidy up all your cable mess and make it look nice and clean. Definitely go check this out, and it's priced relatively low at just $6.99. Now next up on our list is this smart water bottle. It's got a double wall stainless steel design, so it keeps your cold water cool for long periods of time as well as your hot water hot for long periods of time. But then why is it in top tech? The interesting part about this bottle is that if you tap on the lid, it's got a temperature sensor inside that tells you the temperature of the water that's inside the bottle. Absolutely brilliant. So if you have hot water in there, or if you put coffee in there, you can know the temperature of your coffee for long periods of time, and you know if it's keeping it hot or has it let you down and has it cooled down your drink, or vice versa, has it heated your drink in the time that you've kept it, or has it kept it cool. You can simply know by tapping on the top of the bottle. Another interesting aspect is that it does come with an infuser as well. So for those of you who like drinking green tea, this also doubles up as a green tea infuser. A really cool bottle, also available in several sizes. We'll leave links in the description below. Next up on our list is the Skyvik TrueHold. Now this is a rectangular magnetic mount. This has a double-sided tape on the back and a couple of magnets on the front that will allow you to properly mount things to this. So you can have your smartphone with a metal plate on the back. You can place the metal plate between your phone and the cover, and this will basically hold on to it. So you can use this to mount your phone on your desk or in your car, anywhere that you want a magnetic hold for your phone. It can easily do that. The magnets are really strong, but more importantly, you can also use this around the house to connect things that tend to get lost. So for example, for keys or for remotes, you can use this to mount remotes to surfaces so that you always know where your TV remote is. It's priced at $7.99, has a metallic frame and a rubberized front so that you don't get any scratches on your device. Definitely go check this out. Now, next up on our list, because of the weather, I definitely have to recommend this for the price that it is available at, the Bryden Aero F20 fan. Now this is a foldable fan that does include a inbuilt 5000 milliamp hour lithium battery that gives about 2 to 7 hours of usability, and it charges in about 4 hours fully. So this is a really good quality fan, and it does have 3 speeds and a 5-blade design, and you can also fold it halfway to use it as a stand on a desk. Now the fan requires a long charge when you first open it and remove it from the box because it comes completely dead and with the LED lights not working. Once you plug it in and leave it plugged in for an hour or so, the lights will start to warm up, and then in about 4 hours the fan will fully charge. It is recommended that you fully charge your fan for the first time and then start using it. If you're looking for something that is compact and high quality, this one is definitely recommended, and I'll leave links to buying it in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to Top Tech TV, and we'll see you guys in the next one.